Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'll be trying on this Lexiart casual shirt. Let's check this thing out. Looks like a vacuum sealed here. Hope there's a little open thing. I don't have my scissors with me. Oh, I'll be right back. All right, I got some scissors here. I probably could have just torn it open, but didn't want to break a nail or something, you know. Okay. Here is this. Seems, oh, it's a turtleneck, so we got a nice little tag there. Let's take that off. Right, a machine washable, hand wash in cold water, line dry. It's delicate. This is a large here. Okay, well there it is. It's definitely, maybe I should have gone with a little bit smaller, but just depends on your level of comfort that you like. Some people like tighter shirts, some people like less tight shirt. Let's try it on, shall we? All right, well, actually fits pretty nice. It's kind of cozy. You can wear it as a turtleneck or zip it down. If you like it, have it open, fold down the collar, whatever you want. It's got decent size. Actually, that's about perfect arm length for me there. And then nice, nice length there around the waist. So just kind of a cozy shirt there. My microphone's a little bit in the way, so I'll just put that in my pocket so we can get a little bit better. So I like the length on it as well. So actually pretty comfortable. Yeah, seems like it fits nice. You put a different shirt under there, different colored shirts to kind of match or mismatch, however you want to do it, but fairly comfortable. So yeah, anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this video. Hope it's helpful. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.